Want to know how to make a console typing race game in Java? So in this video, we are building a simple typing race game in Java. So you'll see a random sentence on the screen and your goal is to type it as fast as possible, just like the typing game. So the game starts with a simple timer. The moment you begin typing, your timer starts and it stops when you hit enter. Then we'll calculate your typing speed in characters per second. It's super simple. We just simply write by default a scanner SC with string text right here. This Java is awesome. So what we next do is we just simply prompt the user to type as fast as you can, and then through next line we just tell them in order to enable them to write. So we just simply add this current time milliseconds in order to calculate through milliseconds, and with next time we again let the user prompt. So we have used a simple if else statement right here, as you can see. So we have also used this double time formula that calculates the time. So you can just simply run this code, and I'm just going to show you by playing it. So just press enter and type in Java is awesome. So once you press enter, it should show your time right here, that is 5 seconds. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.